Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel. Transcritical CO₂ Reciprocating Compressor. CO₂ is the refrigerant of the future for maintenance and logistics specialists. As a natural refrigerant, CO₂ is especially environmentally friendly, and many users place their trust in Bitzer's reliable CO₂ compressor technology. The EcoLine Plus Reciprocating Compressor offers maximum energy efficiency in full and part load operation. The Line Start Permanent Magnet (LSPM) motor improves overall motor efficiency, achieving energy savings of up to 10% compared to previous compressor generations. After its asynchronous start, the motor synchronizes with the supply frequency and ultimately runs in synchronous operation. The LSPM technology combines the high efficiency of a synchronous motor with the robust design and ease of use of an asynchronous motor. EcoLine Plus compressors with LSPM motor can be connected directly to the power supply system or, for instance, operated with Bitzer VariPack frequency inverter for simple and reliable capacity control. As another option, Bitzer offers a new form of mechanical capacity control, VariStep, or CO₂. The intelligent VariStep mechanical capacity control for CO₂ enables virtually stepless operation between 10 and 100%, is designed for high pressure and transcritical CO₂ applications, and allows for a compact design. The system is operated using the IQ module. It's elegantly integrated, factory wired, and pre-configured. The intelligent onboard system expands the compressor's application limits and offers a multi-step protection concept. Simple communication, an intelligent data log function, and extensive analysis options. The EcoLine Plus is available with 4 and 6 cylinders. The EcoLine Plus is available with 4 and 6 cylinders.
Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.